Hey, friends! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Have you ever dreamed of designing the perfect house? Well, today's your lucky day. In this fun challenge, we'll help you create your ultimate dream house, one choice at a time. We've got 15 tricky decisions waiting for you, and you'll only have 8 seconds to lock in each choice. So think fast. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button and get ready for some serious house building fun. Let's do this. First up, what style of dream house are you going for? Which color will make your dream home pop? Choose the perfect roof. Are you going modern, cozy, or quirky? What's your go-to front door? Make sure it makes a statement. Ding dong! Which doorbell sounds just right for you? Pick a letterbox that screams, "I get cool mail." Time to finalize that color. Are you keeping it bold or classy? What's your dream curtain situation? Flowy and fun, or sleek and modern? Which TV suits your vibe? Flat screen, vintage, or cinema level epic? Like this video for a bonus $1 million in your dream house budget. Or live in a hut. Your call. What kind of fireplace will you cozy up by? Picture the perfect sofa. Plush, chic, or unique. Choose your dream pillow, because details matter, right? What wardrobe will keep you organized and stylish? Got a theme for your bedroom? Pick something that screams you. Thanks for hanging with us today. Don't forget to comment on your dream house choices and keep the fun going by clicking on one of the videos on the screen. See you in the next challenge. Until then, may your dream home be fabulous and your choices bold.